at their desk, in their hands, and wherever exploration takes them.
Atomic weight is 39.948.
These Eureka School District students have access to cutting-edge teaching tools.
I just like learning on the iPad because it's faster and you can just, a click of a button or anything, you can get to a certain page.
Irons for buildings, statues, and all sorts of stuff.
You can hear the excitement in their voices as they're actually discovering and interacting with these apps.
With the flick of a finger, these Ridgeview Elementary students are perusing the periodic table in ways their parents could only imagine.
Like on the normal periodic table, you would just see this. You can't zoom into the elements, but if you look at this, you can zoom in and it will tell you the atomic radius and the atomic weight and stuff like that.
But as the technology becomes more widespread across all age groups and soon to be a requirement among Common Core assessments, a glaring deficiency is popping up.
It's one small step for man.
When everybody's using the computer at the same time, it's kind of going slower than usually computers go.
Ask not what your country can do for you.
I was logging into the computer and it took like 5, maybe 10, 15 minutes just to log in.
I have a dream that one day everything.
And sometimes you have to wait for a really long time for the Wi-Fi to start up, so sometimes it just takes a really long time.
And with our bandwidth, when students are logging onto the computer, we use Google Docs in almost all of our classrooms. A lot of our assessments are online assessments, and it's very difficult for students, even 30 in a class sometimes, for everyone to log on at one time.
It's an inconvenience now, but new Common Core standards in California require students to take annual assessments via computers. This will require the district to update its technology infrastructure in order to meet these new requirements and to ensure that our students have access to a true 21st century learning environment.
With the transition to the Common Core, it's very important because for the standardized assessments that students take every year, they are switching from a paper and pencil test to now a computer integrated test where students will have to go in, log on to their computer, take the assessment, and then the results will be all done electronically.
Upgrading the system will cost up to $270,000 for equipment alone, including a wireless configuration controller, no less than 23 wireless access points per school, and no less than 5 Power over Ethernet switches per site. The upgrade is not an option, and with your help, right now through Fund a Need, can be completed for the next school year.